Lamig siya. Bottoms up! Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Margaret. If you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly do so by clicking on the subscribe button below and tapping on the notification bell so that you will be aware of new uploads. Today I'll be talking about the product Fit to Glow. It's a fiber supplement and I've tasted it because you've seen the video before this. And I'm gonna be talking about how it tastes and what I felt, what happened to me after taking it for one day. You need to mix it with either cold water or hot water. It depends on your preference. And you need to take it before breakfast. I would suggest you take it before breakfast so that your tummy will be clean and then it will take effect the next day. What happened to me was when I drank it around 10 a.m. in the morning, the next day I had to go to the CR and, sorry for the term, poop 4 times. So I don't really find it comfortable to drink this supplement whenever I have to go out of the house because I have to look for a comfort room. So I would suggest you take this whenever you're staying at home for at least 2 to 3 days if you want to consume it on a daily basis. And the taste, it's delicious. You can taste the melon flavor and the vanilla. And the texture, it's kind of rough because it has oatmeal in it. So aside from the oatmeal, there are other benefits that you could get from this product. You can get immunity boosted, you can have fiber, calcium, and many more. You can see it on the box. Sad to say, the box was already thrown away, but you can see in the video beforehand the benefits that you'll be getting from this product. So guys, if you wish to order from Fit to Glow, they have a Facebook page, very high following. It's 17,000, I believe. Thank you so much, Fit to Glow, for choosing me to be one of your ambassadors. Please do visit their page if you wish to order. Again, it's Fit to Glow Fiber Supplement, and it's available in melon vanilla flavor. That's going to be my very short review of the Fit to Glow melon vanilla fiber drink. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button. If you have any questions about the product, leave them in the comments below. If I can answer it, I will, but if I couldn't, I'll refer you to their page. Thank you so much for your support. If you haven't subscribed, please do it now. Tap on that subscribe button and that notification bell, as well as that join button to show your support to my channel. Thank you so much. I also have Margaret Vlogs in Facebook and Margaret Vlogs in Instagram. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in my next vlog, lovies. Bye!
1, 2, 3, funky.
My darling, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you.